Hello students, today's lesson is revision. Today you will revise what you learned in Unit 3. Okay, now you have a puzzle with the professions that you've learned in Unit 3. Look at the pictures and try to fill the puzzle with the professions that you have in each picture. I will give you some time to figure out which profession is in which picture. Take some time. Okay, probably you figured them out. Let's see if you got them right. So, number 1 is actress, number 2 is dancer, number 3 is film director, number 4 is comedian, number 5 is inventor, number 6 is author, number 7 is magician, number 8 is composer, and number 9 is painter. Let's move on. Here we have 2 inventors, actually 3, because the first 2 ones are brothers, the Wright brothers, and the other one is Marie Curie, the other scientist. So we have inventors and scientists. In the table, you have the facts about these inventors and scientists. What you're going to do is you are going to correct the information in exercise 1 and 2 because the information is not correct. So you will use the negative form and also the positive form by using the facts from the table. I will give you some time to turn them into negative and write the true answers for them. Okay, I guess you did them. Let's see if you did them correctly. Okay, so the Wright brothers weren't actors, they were inventors. They weren't born in 1847 and 1851. They were born in 1867 and 1871. They didn't invent the first motor car. They invented the first airplane. Marie Curie. Marie Curie wasn't a singer. She was a scientist. She wasn't born in 1950. She was born in 1867. She wasn't from Paris. She was from Poland. She didn't discover Australia. She discovered penicillin. Now, in exercise 3, you're going to practice the questions using WH questions and also the past simple form of the questions. Now try to make the questions and also the answers you already have in the box, and also we just did them together about these inventors and the scientists. So try to form the questions using WH question and the past simple form of the verb. Take your time. Okay, let's see. So, question number 2 is, where was Marie Curie from? She was from Poland. Who was Marie Curie? She was a scientist. 4. Where were the Wright brothers from? They were from the USA. 5. Who were the Wright brothers? They were inventors. When was Marie Curie born? She was born in 1867. Let's move on. Okay, in exercise 4, you're going to complete the text with the correct past simple forms of the verbs. You have the verbs in the brackets and try to put them into past simple form. I will give you some time. Okay. Let's see if you got them right. So, the second one is visited. The third one is cooked. The fourth one is made. The fifth one is didn't have. The sixth one is invented. The seventh one is had. The eighth one is was. and the ninth one is 8. Now, in exercise 5, you're going to put the sentences, the sentences in order. Then you're going to answer. You have the answers in the text that you just filled about Emma's birthday. So first, put the questions in order, and then you will answer them. Take some time. Okay, let's see if you got them right. So, the second one is, who visited Emma? So we know that lots of friends, aunts, and uncles visited Emma. The third, what did Emma's mom cook? She cooked Emma's favorite dinner. 4, did Emma make a birthday cake? Yes, she did. 5, did Emma have a recipe? No, she didn't. And 6, did people eat at Emma's birthday cake? No, they didn't. Okay, now you have exercise 6. You have A, B, 2 options. You're going to choose the best option. And then, if you have someone next to you or in your family that you can practice the dialogue with, so do it. Take your time first to pick the right option. Then we will check it together. Okay, let's see which ones were correct. So, the second one is B. What did you do? I went to the cinema. The third one is B. Did you enjoy it? Yes, it was good. 4 is B. What about you? What did you do? I went to the zoo. And 5 is A. What was it like? It was great. There were a lot of cool animals. Now, I will play a song for you, which is named Clever People. What you're going to do is you're going to fulfill the vocabulary or the words that we have learned in Unit 3. So you will listen to the song and try to complete the gaps in the song.
3. Student's Book, page 39. Exercise 7. Listen and complete. Then sing.
Mr. Einstein was a brilliant scientist. He had a great idea. He wrote a book for all to read, and he became very famous. Clever people with great ideas changed our lives forever. Michael Jackson was a clever composer. He wrote some brilliant songs. He made us dance with his great music. I think he was a genius. Clever people with great ideas changed our lives forever. Mr. Logie Baird was a great inventor. He made the greatest thing, a TV that we can watch all day, and the whole world thinks of him. Clever people with great ideas changed our lives forever. Clever people with great ideas changed our lives forever.
Okay, you listened to the song. Now you will check if you got the answers right. Check them. Okay. So, number 2, he wrote a book for all to read. Number 3, a clever composer. Number 4, music. Number 5, inventor. And number 6, TV. So probably you got them right too. Now you know that the verbs, the regular verbs or ed in the end of irregular verbs has three pronunciations like t, d, and id. So what you're going to do now, you're going to listen to the verbs and try to match which one sounds the same. So listen to it first and try to match which ones sound the same.
3. Students' book, page 39. Exercise 9. Listen and match the verbs with the same sound. 1.
Talked.
2.
Stayed.
3.
Hated.
4.
Loved.
5.
Asked.
Okay, so here you had more than one option. Like you see, so talked, watched, stayed goes with happened and answered, and loved. Hated matches with invented. Stayed matches with happened and answered. Loved matches with answered, happened. Asked matches with missed. Okay, here you're going to do a self-check. Since we did the revision of Unit 3 together now, you're going to put the ticks. Which one of the topics from Unit 3 are you able to use in your everyday English? Okay, this was today's lesson. I hope you didn't have any problems with using the topics from Unit 3. See you in the next video. Thank you for your attention.